Max Village yaenda moto uyo watanga na 9:45. Now it's 22 past 10. Yapera yese Max Village. Yapera yese Max Village. Moto wabaka kuma chips magasi aputika kuma chips uko. Kuitwa zvema chips ndo kwatangira moto front. Wakanangana kwaZinenda ndo kwatangira moto wese. Shikira wapera. Pakashata yadonha yese Max Village hapana kana wakwanisa kusevwa. Zvinhu wabuditswa zvawabuditsa. Wakwanisa kubuditsawo zvinhu zvishoma zvawabuditsa.
Max Village, a very big structure in Vengere suburb. The biggest shopping mall in Rusape was razed down this evening when a fire started. Nothing has been left here. People have lost the investment. The complex here is thatched. Yeah, and it houses a number of bars, grocery shops, churches, and a number of other businesses. People have lost their fortune, people have lost their investment. The fire started around 9:45 in the evening, and no efforts were made to stop the fire. The entire structure is down. It's a very sad development here. Thank you.